motherfucker! Ah, let's go set up. How's this view, but it's like 360 all the way around. It's the airport. And our toys. I think there's 3 guns in this bag. Matty's gun, my big gun, Matty's big gun. Baby big gun.
Baby big gun.
This is a new one, isn't it?
Yes. It's a Savage 223 with a Bushnell scope.
Here's my hunting shotgun. It's nice and short. There's no sights, you gotta guess. But look, the barrel's that short.
Point the aim.
Point the barrel's that short, she's gotta spread like crazy, so who needs the bloody aim? This is my hunting 22.
I do like to see that, mate.
That was my first gun.
What do you reckon, Sag? Do you reckon this is my new gun?
Your new gun?
My new gun. Do you like it?
Well, my wife believes that's your gun. She doesn't know that is my new gun. So that's the one we'll be using today mostly. It's got like camo print. There's Matty's flash 22.
My flash Murray one?
What is that one again?
Seiko 22.
Seiko, that's right, yeah.
The big boy, eh? Did you really bring this one?
I had to.
Wow.
It's heavy, eh?
The eye bleed from this thing is like, wow, there.
Just so it doesn't copy in the friggin' eyeball. Clay thrower work, you had the mag, then it drops down into the bottom, and then when Matty hits the foot switch,
Maybe too much.
it throws the clay away. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Look at that go. Bro, I'm getting the fucking gun and I'm gonna blow that cunt out of the sky. That's what you'll do.
I don't know, will it?
I don't know.
Did you hit it?
Echo's so good.
Did you hit it?
Yeah. Nope. Should have reloaded. Matty's up next, professional trap shooter. Miss and miss. What the fuck is going on up there? Got it. One more. And there. So Matty wants to bring the clay shooter in here. Where's it meant to sit?
On top of that.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
Yeah. Alright, Matty, I'll give it to you. When you are.
Oh! Yeah, that fucked you up now, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Really bad.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Twice, bro.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fucking got it!
Alright, it's good now. One. Miss. Hit. Miss. Going on an adventure, guys. Where are we heading to, 30?
We're going to the long range range.
Long range range.
Nice and pleasant.
Oh, but we're on the range already, huh? This is the range.
This is the range. No shade.
Yeah, here. Hitting that cunt.
It was fucking close.
I reckon it's the second one. Check the shots. Here we go. I see a few new holes in it, bro.
There's a few new holes
Yeah, just a few new holes.
There's like 22 is these little scratch marks. And you got like deep holes, 308. And then the little baby holes, 223.
223. Stick metal, whatever that is. You can see your 4 shots, my 2.
It's a lot bigger from back there. Oh, yeah, you're right. I was hitting right on the bottom. Still hit though.
Hitting the dirt and then making the dirt explode in front of it, doesn't it?
Gotta make it fucking awesome. Now look, it was really fun, eh, Matt? But the worst part is having to pick up all your shit. I reckon, mate. Successful day or what?
Hugely, mate. Huge.
Was that 300 rounds of shotgun? More?
More.
I went through 40 rounds of 308. Probably 30 rounds. Oh, till next time. See ya.
Yeah.